Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel ARWorld2020. Today we are going to discuss an important and interesting topic, citizenship and its types. Most people think citizenship only means having a passport. But in reality, it is much more than that. It also shows how we behave in society, online, and even towards the environment. So let's understand this in a simple and clear way. What is citizenship? Citizenship means being a legal member of a country. It gives us two main things. Heavy checkmark rights, like education, security, voting. Heavy checkmark responsibilities, like obeying laws, paying taxes, respecting others. In simple words, citizenship equals rights plus responsibilities. A good citizen not only enjoys rights but also fulfills duties honestly. Types of citizenship. Now let's discuss the modern types of citizenship in detail. 1. Active citizenship. Active citizenship means taking part in society and helping others. An active citizen votes in elections, helps the community, takes part in social work. Example, a person helping flood victims or participating in charity work. Active citizens make society better and stronger. 2. Participatory citizenship. Participatory citizenship means being involved in decision-making. It includes sharing opinions, taking part in discussions, engaging in public issues. Example, students raising their voice about university problems. It helps in building a democratic and fair society. 3. Digital citizenship. Digital citizenship means responsible behavior on the internet. It includes using social media wisely, respecting others online, avoiding fake news and cyberbullying. Example, not sharing false information on WhatsApp or Facebook. A good digital citizen spreads positivity online. 4. Environmental citizenship. Environmental citizenship means protecting nature and the environment. It includes reducing pollution, saving water and electricity, planting trees. Example, avoiding plastic bags and keeping surroundings clean. It helps protect our planet for future generations. 5. Global citizenship. Globe showing Americas. Global citizenship means thinking beyond your own country. A global citizen respects all cultures, supports human rights, cares about global issues like climate change. Example, supporting peace and equality worldwide. It creates unity and understanding among nations. 6. Economic citizenship. Economic citizenship means contributing to the economy of a country. It includes paying taxes, working honestly, using resources responsibly. Example, running a business fairly or doing a job with honesty. Strong economic citizens help a country grow. 7. Passive citizenship. Passive citizenship means not taking part in society actively. Passive citizens do not vote, avoid social responsibilities, stay disconnected from community issues. Example, a person who ignores national or social matters. This weakens society and slows development. Conclusion. Citizenship is not just a legal status, it is much more than simply belonging to a country. It also reflects our behavior, our sense of responsibility, and how we contribute to society. In today's world, citizenship has many modern forms, including active, participatory, digital, environmental, global, economic, and passive citizenship. Each type shows a different way in which individuals interact with society and fulfill their roles. A truly good citizen is one who is active, responsible, and aware, always contributing positively to the community and the world around them. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel ARWorld2020 for more interesting topics. See you in the next video.